Jump over it, man. You ain't got balls, so you jump over it.
Burn.
Yeah, you apparently doesn't fire it first, man.
Sit on it.
Just make a bang and they hurt. Just hold it. Put it in your
Pick it
mouth.
up.
Pick it up and hold it. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Yeah. Put it in your mouth. Put it in the fucking mouth. I'm not driving.
Matt, he's...
I played this soccer ball, man.
Normal people can't feel this pain.
Bull crap.
I bet.